We have made it to the first spot. I came all the way down, and as you can see, I'm by myself today. Not something I do too often, just because who likes to fish alone all the time, but I don't mind actually getting out here by myself. It's kind of fun sometimes. And sometimes I feel like I catch more fish and bigger fish that way. I don't know, it's just the way it is. But anyways, I'm gonna try to get on a good topwater bite, seeing as I have not gotten on a good topwater bite all year. So I don't know how it's gonna play out, but let's see. All right, guys, we're gonna start out with a little bit of a popper action. See what we can get on the popper. There we go. Literally right here by the boat. This little tyke came up and got it. I seen him hit it too. It's a tiny little spotted bass. There's lots of these guys in here. He is feisty. Not much bigger than the popper either. There we go. That's a decent one. All right. Heck yeah, dude. All right. Second fish of the day on the popper. Nice. Fish number 2. There we go. Thought I felt a hit. Little spot on the spinnerbait. Yes, sir. Third fish of the day, son. I knew I felt a hit too, and he came back and got it. Look how tiny that guy is. Tiny, tiny, tiny. There we go. Wow, I thought this guy was big. Still another fish though. A little spot. A tiny little spot. Jeez, we definitely need an increase in size, folks. There's a nice one. Oh, yes, sir. That's a tank. That's a tank. Oh, yes. And the popper came off. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, that's a good one. It's not a tank, but that's a good fish on the popper. I seen him just annihilate it. Yes, sir. £2 5 ounces. All right. There we go. "21 minutes on the freaking GoPro and I finally caught one. A very, very chunky, tiny little spotted bass. Still not big enough to go on the live well. See you later, buddy. There's another one. I don't know how big he is yet. Ooh, not a bad one. Oh! That bastard took my spinnerbait. I got a damn net right here. I don't know why I keep trying to boat flip them. Jeez. That one hurt. There's another one. Yes, sir. Sitting down. Oh. Well, lost a fish and just caught another one. The other one was definitely bigger than this one, but the good thing is it wasn't a giant. So I'm just real pissed off that he took my last good spinnerbait that I had. There's fish number 6, 7. I don't know, something like that. See you later, buddy. There's another one. 2 casts later, still sitting down. Little spotted bass. Well guys, we're nearing the end of the trip, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and let this long bass go. It's the best one of the day. Unfortunately, I didn't land that other keeper that I had hooked. I broke my spinnerbait off with him, so alright, we're gonna let this feisty dude go.